Have you ever forgotten to update your death counter? Well, no more, because this updates it automatically. Like when I die here, the rip counter changes automatically to 1. So the first thing you want to do, follow the links below, click download Python 3.12.1. Definitely run it as admin. Then below, add python.exe to path. Check that box and then click install now. Okay, now that we have Python installed, pip should be installed with it. We're opening Windows PowerShell. It'll kind of look like command prompt, just a little bit different. Copy pip version, then click enter. I have pip 23.2.1. Copy Python XZ pip install upgrade pip. This will upgrade pip to the latest version. Pip 23.3.2. Installing Tesseract OCR. We're going to click on this link that says Windows 64 setup. You guys do have Mac instead of Windows. It's called Homebrew. If someone wants to blaze the trail and let me know, this will be your Mac solution possibly. Run Tesseract as administrator. I'm going to do anyone using this computer. I'm just going to leave the defaults. Go ahead and copy this. It'll be important in just a second. Go to GitHub to get the death counter app. Click this little link that says code, and down at the bottom, download zip. One thing I will say when choosing where to install death counter, put it in the file path for Windows PowerShell. And what I mean by that is mine says disk C, users, then Rob. So I want to make sure it's in one of the subfolders of that file path. I'm going to go to my disk C, and I'm going to go to users. I'm going to go to Rob. And now I can install it anywhere here I want. Call it death counter. We're going to select that folder, and that's where it will be extracted. Remember when I told you to copy the file path for Tesseract? Open config.json with WordPad works. See this spot that says Tesseract directory. You want to change the directory of Tesseract, our file path that we designated inside those quotations. Change the backslashes to double backslashes. Save that file, and we're going to close that out. Open up Windows PowerShell again, and we're going to go ahead and install these 3 pip libraries. Copy and paste those into Windows PowerShell, one at a time. All right, the first one's done. We're going to copy the second one. That one took a little longer than the first one. We're going to go ahead and install the third library, which is OpenCV. All right, the last one is done. Find your Python file that says death counter, and let's launch that. Yes, and it works. Let's go. We want to integrate this into our stream. Add a source and click text. Read the file. Find the file in our death counter folder that says deaths. Click open, click OK, go to our death counter and click start. Do not forget to click start. It is a crucial step. Run in here and die, and just make sure that our death counter is working. Death counter changed to 1. Currently, this death counter is configured for Elden Ring, but it can be configured for any game. You just have to go to the README file. Towards the bottom, there's a section that says how to adapt the counter to a different game. 6 steps that you can follow, make adjustments to till it works for your game. Make sure you like, comment, follow, subscribe, all the things below. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'm happy to help. Want to know how to set your death counter to your stream title and have it update live? Check this video out that's up in the top right there. It's pretty good.